I'm diving into the kitchen to find out which foods can really help seniors over 60 protect against glaucoma. Let's see if I can whip up some tasty dishes that pack a punch for eye health. As we age, our eyes become more susceptible to a range of issues, and glaucoma is one of the leading causes of vision loss among seniors. It's a condition that damages the optic nerve, often due to abnormally high pressure in the eye, and it can lead to vision loss if not treated properly. Glaucoma is often called the silent thief of sight because it can progress slowly and painlessly, with vision loss only becoming apparent when it's too late. For seniors over 60, the risk factors increase, making regular eye checkups crucial. But there's more to protecting your vision than just regular screenings. What we eat plays a significant role in maintaining eye health, and incorporating certain foods into your diet can make a big difference. Seniors facing glaucoma have to deal with more than just vision loss. It's the emotional toll that can really weigh them down. Imagine not being able to see the faces of loved ones or enjoying the simple things like reading or gardening. The impact on daily life can be profound, affecting independence and mental health. Simple tasks become challenging, and the fear of losing vision can be overwhelming. It's heartbreaking to see seniors struggle with these challenges, but there's hope. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are packed with lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that help protect the eyes. Omega-3 rich fish like salmon and tuna support eye health by reducing inflammation. Colorful fruits and vegetables, such as bell peppers and carrots, are rich in vitamin A and beta-carotene, which help the retina function properly. These nutrients play a crucial role in maintaining eye health and preventing conditions like glaucoma. The connection between diet and eye health is compelling, and research supports the benefits of a nutrient-rich diet. A study focusing on dietary patterns found that seniors who consumed a diet rich in these protective foods had a significantly lower risk of developing glaucoma. The results were eye-opening, showing that dietary choices can play a critical role in eye health. By making informed food choices, seniors can take proactive steps to protect their vision. Foods rich in antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acids can make a real difference in eye health. For example, a diet rich in leafy greens and omega-3s has been shown to reduce the risk of glaucoma. The science behind these foods is clear. They help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which are linked to eye damage. By incorporating these foods into their diet, seniors can give themselves the best chance at maintaining healthy vision. Incorporating these foods into your diet can be easy and delicious. Try adding spinach to your morning smoothie or grilling salmon for dinner. The key is to make sustainable changes that you can stick to in the long term. With a little creativity, you can enjoy a diet that's both healthy and flavorful. To recap, the key foods that can help protect against glaucoma are leafy greens, omega-3 rich fish, and colorful fruits and vegetables. These foods are rich in nutrients that support eye health and can make a real difference in reducing the risk of glaucoma. By making informed food choices, seniors can take control of their eye health and reduce their risk of vision loss. If you or someone you know is concerned about glaucoma, consider sharing your favorite eye-healthy recipes in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your experiences and favorite dishes that support eye health. And if you're interested in learning more about maintaining overall health as you age, be sure to check out my next video on staying healthy and active in your senior years.